Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I'm DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you a 60,000 naira blueprint, and in addition, I'm going to show you how you can make this 60,000 naira in 2 days. So make sure you watch this video to the very end because every minute of this video carries an important information. Before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this, and turn on notification to get notified when I drop the next video. So now let's move. On my previous video, I explained about arbitrage trading. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you check it out after you watch this video at the top right corner. The platform I'll be using for this trick is a well-known crypto and fiat trading platform called Paybis. Paybis is a trusted platform in which you can buy crypto and deposit directly to your Binance account from your local bank, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. Paybis was created around 2014, which main aim is to offer financial services. Paybis offer varieties of money making opportunities, so if you want to join me make this kind of money, consider yourself subscribing and turning on the bell icon so that you don't miss out anytime I drop an update, and make sure you like this video. All you just need to do is to register with the link below and create an account with them, either with your email or your phone number, then you are 80% good to go. The main reason why I love Paybis is their verification part. If you look at the review on Play Store, you will understand what I'm saying. You get verified in less than 2 minutes, and their customer service are doing great works by replying instantly when you have an issue. After you input your details like your email, your password, then tickle these 2 options here and click on I'm not a robot. You click on sign up. Now automatically you have created an account. The next thing to do is to verify your email address, you understand? So you go to your email, then the notification you will receive, you click on it to confirm your email address, you understand? Now when you want to get verified on Paybis, you just need to click on this menu tab at the top right corner. Then you receive verification, you click on it. Now on this section you can see that your account is not verified, so you click on start verification. As you can see, the verification only have 2 tabs, which is very easy to get verified. So before you click on proceed, you need to read this, you understand? Watch out for scammer. So you click on understand. Now the next thing to do is to input your phone number, you understand? When you input your phone number, they will send an OTP to your phone number. But if you did not receive the OTP, don't panic. All you just need to do, allow the countdown to finish, then you click on call me, so that Paybis will call you directly on your mobile phone, you understand? Then you input the code, then you are good to go. And in less than 2 minutes, your account will be verified, as you can see, you understand? Now, after you have been verified, let's move to the main deal of this video. Before I proceed, shout out to Epic Movie, Aliyu Otito Okafor and Craft Software System. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers, so make sure you have subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. So now, let's move. I will try to be fast, but make sure you watch this video to the very end. Moving to the next section of this video, you can click on this tab that says NGN credit card. You click on it. Now on this pop-up menu is a section that requires you to input the currency you want to spend and the mode at which you want to pay, you understand? As you can see, you can pay with bank transfer, Skrill, Netella, Bitcoin, credit card, and you can see you can choose from transaction pays, you understand? For the sake of this video, you will need to leave it at NGN, or you put it at NGN and credit card, you understand? So you go back. Now as you can see below, first transaction, no Paybis fee, best commission rate in the world, you understand? If you use the link below to register, you will get this offer, that is first transaction no fee. That means you are going to make your first transaction without Paybis charging you, you understand? Now on this note, you will click on this tab that said you receive, you understand? You click on this BTC tab, you click on it. Now on this pop-up menu is a section whereby you click on the type of crypto you want to buy, you understand? For the sake of this video, you are going to click on XLM, you understand? So now you search for XLM and click on it. You can see Stellar, you click on it. Now after you have done that, as you can see you spend NGN, then you receive XLM, you understand? So now the next thing to do is to input the amount at which you want to spend at this tab that says you spend. So you input the amount. Please make sure that the card you are using is either MasterCard or Visa card, and online payment should be enabled on the card, as well as 3D secure option should be enabled on the card. And make sure you don't exceed the $100 spend limit in Nigeria, you understand? Now after you have inputted the amount at which you want to buy, As you can see, I imputed 40,000 naira for me to be on the safer side. So you click on buy Stellar or XLM. You click on it. Now on this section, they are going to ask for your XLM details, you understand? So now on the first tab, you are going to input your XLM address, and the second one, you are going to input your XLM tags, you understand? So you are going to Binance to copy your XLM address and tags and come here and paste it, you understand? So now the next thing to do is to click on wallet, you understand? So now on your wallet, you just need to click on deposit. You click on deposit, then now you are going to search for XLM, you understand? You search for it, XLM, then you click on it. Now as you can see from the top, you can see Stellar Lumens Binance Smart Chain, you understand? Make sure that the network is on Stellar Lumens, you understand, because Stellar is on its own blockchain. So now you are required to copy the address and the memo together. So I'll just need to click on copy. I've copied it on my clipboard. So now we move to our Paybis platform. Now back to Paybis, you are required to paste the details you copied from Binance, you understand? So now I'll paste the address from my clipboard, address, then the tag. Then after that, I'll click on continue. Now it will take you to this section where you're required to input your card details. So now you just need to input your card details and click on pay. As you can see, I just imputed my card details. So all you just need to do after you input your card details is to click on pay. Then wait for it to load up. You can see processing your card. Do not close this page. Now it will take you to this section whereby you will be required to select the type of authentication means, you understand? This soft token is for you to receive OTP on your mobile phone. Then maybe this hardware token is just like those devices bankers use to receive OTPs, you understand? So you leave it on soft token option, then click on generate token. On this section, they will send an OTP to your phone number, you understand, that you use to register your account. So you need to input the code, then click on submit, you understand? So now as you can see, I just inputted the code, so I will click on submit. So you click on submit, then wait for it to load up. So wait for it to load up. Now it's processing our transaction and they will debit us, you understand? But unfortunately the transaction did not succeed, you understand, because of my card. So that means Paybis does not accept Zenith MasterCard. But don't panic. Now let me show you the card that works. But before that, you know that you are depositing 40,000 naira, and that 40,000 are worth 245.25 XLM. You understand? And when this transaction go through, this 245 XLM will be deposited to the address below, which is the address on Binance. That means the 245.25 XLM will be deposited to your Binance account. You understand? Please note that not all bank cards work for all these merchant sites, you understand? That is why my Zenith card was declined, but I'm going to show you the card that works best for this platform, you understand? Now when you have successfully deposited this 245 XLM with the card I'm going to show you to your Binance account, you just need to go to trade and sell it, you understand? Now when you click on trade, then come to this section, you are going to search for XLM. Click on the top right corner. They search for XLM, you understand? You search for it, then it will display like this. Now on this section, now you have to put it on sell instead of buy. So you click on sell. Now you understand. Then now on this section, now you're going to put it on market price because you want to buy at the instant. Now when you deposit with the card I'm going to show you from Paybis, the amount, like that means the 40,000 that you deposited, which is like 245.25 XLM, will display on your wallet and the corresponding amount will show. So now let's get the price for the 246.25 XLM, understand? Now if you look at the trading pairs below, you will see XLM BNB, XLM BTC, XLM BUSD. Now if you look below it, the last one, you will see XLM USDT, you understand now? So now one XLM worth $0.3709, you understand? Now that means that since the price is $0.3709 per XLM, now 246.25 XLM will cost 0.3709 times 246.255, and the corresponding amount should be 93.33 US dollar that is supposed to be here for the 246 XLM that you deposited from Paybis. You understand? That means your 40,000 naira gave you 93.33 US dollar worth of XLM. So now you are going to sell it by clicking on this XLM sale. Then you click on sell. Then you put it on market price. Then you click on 100%. Then you click sell XLM. Now by the time you sell the 246.255 XLM to USDT, your USDT balance should be 93.33 USDT. You understand? Now the next thing to do is to go to peer-to-peer, then you sell it off. Now you can go to peer-to-peer either from your home page or directly from your wallet. So you just go straight to peer-to-peer trading by clicking on the home page. Now as you can see, this is the peer-to-peer trading section, you understand, on your Binance mobile app. Please make sure you follow my step gradually and like the video if you enjoy the content. So now you just need to click on sell, the sell tab. Now on this section now, you can just filter, since you are dealing with 40,000 naira and above, you can just first of all filter the currency you are using by clicking on the top right. Make sure it's on Nigeria, that is NGN. Then go back. Then now the next thing to do is to filter your amount. Like you click on this filter tab, then you put it on bank transfer. Then you can search for like amount around that your amount you are trading. Let me say 40,000. So you click on 40,000, then click yes. Now the next thing to do is to look for someone that has good rates as yours, you understand, and their transaction rating should be like above 80%, you understand. So now let me just say I want to click on this first guy, Lady J. So now I'll click on sell. You just need to go straight to your enter quantity, then click on 93 because 93.33, you understand. Now when you look below, you will notice that the 246 XLM that you deposited from Paybis to your Binance account is worth 93.33, and as you can see on peer-to-peer, you are going to sell that 93.33 USDT for 52,474 naira, as you can see below. So now the next thing to do, you just need to click on sell. So now let me show you the mathematics and the profit you are making from your 40,000 naira. Now remember, you spent 40,000 naira, and that 40,000 naira is 93.33 USDT from Paybis to Binance through XLM. You understand? And when you are selling it on Binance peer-to-peer, the person you are selling it to on peer-to-peer will send you a total of 52,474.6 naira. You understand? Which means the profit you are making from this transaction alone is 52,474.6 naira minus 40,000 naira that you spent, you understand, which will give you a total of 12,474.6 naira, which is mind-blowing. You understand? That means for every transaction you make, you are making a profit of 12,474 naira for every 93 US dollar that you spend with your Naira card. And by the time you do this transaction with 5 different cards that I'm going to show you here, you'll be making a profit of 60,000 naira. And I'm going to give you a live proof of this transaction, you understand. One thing is that if you have this card I'm about to show you now, you can just make this 60,000 naira in just one day, you understand. So now let me show you the best 5 card that works on Paybis, you understand. The best card that work on Paybis is Polaris MasterCard. Now as you can see that this is a Naira dominated card, can be used to make payment across multiple channels, automated teller machine, point of sales terminal, and other merchant sites like that, you understand. This means that Polaris MasterCard works best on Paybis, you understand. And the second best card that work on Paybis is the Polaris Visa debit card, you understand. Now as you can see that it's the same as that of the MasterCard, you understand. So Polaris MasterCard and Polaris Visa card work based on Paybis exchange, you understand. The moment I collect my card, I'm going to drop a live proof of this strategy on how it works and everything you need to know in a detailed and explained format. Now the third best card that work on Paybis is the FCMB MasterCard, you understand. And this MasterCard, you can get it from any FCMB branch, you understand. Now the fourth card that work best on Paybis is same FCMB Visa card. You understand? This means that these two banks I just mentioned, Polaris and FCMB, they work best on Paybis. But the last card that work best on Paybis is the Access Exclusive card. You understand? Now let me explain the Access Exclusive card. The Access Exclusive card is a Naira card that enables you to spend up to $1,000 a month. You understand? But the process to get this exclusive card is very difficult. Please note that this is just how to go about Paybis arbitrage, and make sure to register with the link on the video description below. You understand? And remember, when you register with the link below, you are going to spend your first transaction for free. You understand? What I have to say is that arbitrage gives room for you to make more money, you understand, from different platforms. So if you want to join me make this kind of money, consider yourself subscribing and make sure you turn on notifications so that you don't miss out when I drop the live proof of this arbitrage. And this will be it for this video. See you on my next video.